giving out sandwiches here. I told you not to record, but whatever.
I know.
They were over here. Hold on. Guys, I hope I have enough. I'm sorry.
Alright.
They were here first.
Add it to the regular large. Right there.
So we got 3 for us.
What happened?
There was enough. I'll be fucking waiting in line.
What happened?
It's just a chicken sandwich.
Bro.
This nigga tripping out that motherfucking Popeyes.
Man, hit the hoe, bro. Get the hoe.
This nigga's high as fuck.
Oh shit, bro.
You straight, bro?
Damn, my phone go dead, bro. What's wrong? Hey.
Alright.
Let me raise my window for bro. Spit on us, bro.
I swear to God.
I'ma kill.
Hey.
I told you, bro. Seemed like he going something.
Say, mama. Say.
Get a boy some water. He tripping.
Hey, give him some water.
He fine. He fine.
Hey, give him some water. Give him some water. Give him some
What
water.
happened, bro?
Hey, go drink some water, bro. Go.
I swear to God.
Bro, stang. He shitted on himself.
Tripping.
Bro, shitting on himself. Nah, I just playing. Bro, out here wildin', bro. It was a strawberry. Bro, out here wildin', bro. He about to throw up, bro. He gonna throw up, bro. I ain't about to let bro throw up on me.
See, y'all right. Record this shit.
Bro. He ain't about to throw up on me.
You tripping. You tripping. Bro.
Huh? I don't know. I was scared. You had any of
Hey, give him some water or something, though, like.
my family? And your side?
That boy tripping, man. This gotta go on World Star, bro. This gotta go on World Star. We at Popeyes on Broadway, Houston, Texas. And we just finessed them for a free meal.
Free.
Oh, bro, yeah. Oh, this shit is
Wild.
fucking.
I told.
That's how we do Popeye, baby.
Oh, I need some therapy before I get this.
Hey, that's why I only eat my chicken when I cook.
This how we do Popeye. 2016. We get our shit how we done, baby. We getting our shit how we done. This what we serve customers. my nigga Mike, he on his chicken, going hard. Look at him, he getting it. Hell nah.
Chicken like I'm moving worse.
This nigga getting his money. Look. Look, this our dishwasher. You know, she going hard. She got her dish. She got her dish. Appreciate that.
Real shit all day. Heavy, not small pay. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, it is what it is.
Yeah. So this how we get. So this is what we do every day.
Yeah.
Every day. On Tuesdays. Just on Tuesdays. That's her shit. What you got to say about this here, kid?
Go down the next time, baby. We go down to Popeyes. I thought we was on Snapchat.
Nah. We finna head to the front right quick. See all them customers up there. All them customers up there. Look. Back. We flipping chicken.
Chicken all over the
that.
These motherfuckers, y'all don't come over here eating no goddamn thing with motherfuckers. You know what I'm talking about? Homestead breast side. These niggas got chicken on the motherfucking floor. You hear me? On the floor. Batter, flour, batter on the motherfucking floor. You hear me? Hey, y'all don't eat this shit, man. 2-piece Tuesday gonna have your 2-piece ass in the motherfucking hospital, man. Real nigga shit.
So, look, bam, we got the chicken on the floor, flour right there.
Niggas on the floor. All this here on the floor. How you gonna have this shit here about the chicken, man?
Hold up,
Y'all going down.
let me see the name. Let me see the name of it. Let me see the name.
This sir.
It say, hold on, let me turn around. This old shit, this the greaser. The greaser. Yeah, damn. Damn. Look at this chicken here, boy. Look at this chicken. Get it. We getting our shit. We getting our shit how we live now. On Tuesday, we getting our shit how we live now. So this is what time is it now? What time is it? This 9 o'clock news. So I'll holler at y'all later. Bye.
Yo, word of cuz, stop coming to Popeyes, cuz. If y'all need a sandwich, ain't no more sandwiches. Not in Hamden, bro. Ain't no more sandwiches, cuz. Alright? Straight like that. Don't come to Popeyes, cause these tweaking, bro. Asking for mad sandwiches, no pickle, no mayo. What the for a sandwich? What the for sandwiches for? Stop. It's all good, bro. I don't give them sandwiches, bro. I ain't doing no more sandwiches. Yo, word of cuz, stop coming to Popeyes, cuz. If y'all need a sandwich, ain't no more sandwiches. Not in Hamden, bro. Ain't no more sandwiches, cuz. Alright? Straight like that. Don't come to Popeyes, cause these tweaking, bro. Asking for mad sandwiches, no pickle, no mayo. What the for a sandwich? What the for sandwiches for? Stop. It's all good, bro. I don't give them sandwiches.
Fistfights, car crashes, even a murder. Yeah, this is going to sound pretty ridiculous, but all of that is over a chicken sandwich.
Some people are losing their minds over the newest offering from Popeyes. Greg Mills, seriously, a chicken sandwich?
Pat, Jeff, it is unbelievable. I can't believe it. The line is out the door. You see all the cars that are right here. It's been like this all day long, and yep, all because of a chicken sandwich.
It's really good. I mean, it's worth it.
Popeye's chicken sandwich. Fans say it's worth it. Worth a long wait in line.
Like 30 to 45 minutes.
Or at the drive-thru.
I've been here for about 20 minutes.
But is it worth the wait for this crunchy chicken sandwich if you crunch your car in the process? Is this chicken sandwich worth a life? A man was killed after cutting line in Maryland just to get one of these chicken sandwiches.
If you want to go in front of me, go ahead. I ain't tripping. I ain't finna lose my life over a chicken sandwich.
Check out this Popeyes pandemonium. Another Popeyes in Maryland. Guy jumps over the counter and attacks the manager because they ran out of chicken. When this guy doesn't get his, he jumps through the drive-through window.
Oh my God.
This chicken craze is, well,
crazy, man.
Here at La Brea and Jefferson, the line is out the door. David Alexander waits longer than 30 minutes. Is it worth it?
I don't know. I haven't tried it yet.
Hi, welcome to Popeyes.
Good afternoon. You have chicken sandwiches?
Yes, we do.
Let me have 2 of those, please.
The drive-through wait is just as long. Customers waiting patiently and alternating turns joining the lineup.
It's very, I would say, coordinated. Everybody's peaceful right now.
It wasn't earlier. 2 cars vying for one spot. That's when this car joined the crunched category. In a hurry to get that crunchy chicken sandwich. With demand this strong, patience needs to be practiced here at Popeyes. How long have you been waiting for that chicken sandwich?
Maybe an hour and a half.
It better be worth it, huh?
Yeah, I'll let you know.
She lied to me. She lied to me, Pat and Jeff. She never came back and told us because actually she took that chicken sandwich and took it home. Reporting live from South LA, Greg Mills, CBS 2 News. Back to you.
A lot of these people have more issues than just an appetite.
Greg, that's pretty, well, Greg's gone now, but that's pretty unbelievable. Anyway.
Smack me. I want you to. Smack me. Do it. Do it. Do it. Smack me. Smack me. Smack me. You got the fist up. I'll dust your Peggerland 80 hoe. I'm gonna fuck back to being on female.
Let me tell you something. You don't act like that. phone at?
Come on that way.
Hey, you say, hey, you in the wrong place. Hey, you in the wrong place saying the N-word, though.
You are.
Yeah, I gotta go and put her out. She gotta go. Put her out.
And what was out your money to get out? Before I call the law on you and forcefully remove you. Lady, have the law of my family. I don't give a damn if you right my mama your family. Bring it.
Yeah, she go. Oh shit. Damn. Golly.
More fallout from that disgusting video shot inside of a Popeyes on the east side.
The franchise owner has fired 2 people, including the manager who was on duty at the time.
7 Action News reporter Kimberly Craig has been talking to the health department today. And Kim's, is that Popeyes still closed?
Yes, Glenda and Dave, all day today they've remained closed. And again, they were also closed yesterday, as you'll remember, but employees have been coming and going, and so have city inspectors.
This tea been open all day. It got chicken in the tea. I swear to God, there's chicken in the tea. I'm not even lying.
After Shakita Jones went live on Facebook to document the rather unsettling and unsanitary conditions inside this Popeyes, we've learned the franchise owner has fired the manager who was on duty and another employee. Jones says she had only been working here for about 3 weeks when she had had enough and took the video before she quit.
How old is this grease? How old is this grease? When I filled out the application, it didn't say we had roaches, you gotta kill them, you have to step on them. It didn't say that you would be in a dirty environment. It didn't say your manager was gonna be calling you out your name, acting like you was him. It didn't say none of that type of stuff. It didn't say you had dead flies in the ice.
Today, the Popeyes on Ratchet near 7 Mile remain closed, with workers hired to tidy up outside and inside. Inspectors with the City of Detroit's Buildings and Safety Department on site to assist the Health Department as they continue their investigation. A spokesperson for the Health Department says management at this Popeyes location is fully cooperating and has agreed to voluntarily remain closed until all priority violations are in compliance.
Disgusting. Doesn't make any sense. People shouldn't have to come to.
We're going to start with this story you'll only see on Fox 6. Outrageous video from inside a Popeyes restaurant showing a large group of employees getting into a vicious brawl.
This all went down while customers were inside the store. You see them there. Our Casey Cronish joins us live with a closer look at the video and the man who recorded it.
Little did one Milwaukee man know he was in for quite the showdown when he visited Popeyes earlier this week. Once inside, he witnessed not 1, not 2, but 3 fights, pulling out his cell phone just in time to capture some of the commotion.
It was just out of control. You know, that was the first thing that went through my head, like, this is out of control.
A quick trip to Popeyes turned into anything but for Richard Forte Wednesday night. Avoiding the drive-through line at 76th and Good Hope, Forte went inside.
I said to myself, I said, wow, it's a lot of people working here.
A lot of people soon turned into a lot of chaos.
I heard one of them yell, it's a fight. They ran to the back by the grills, okay? Now, it was a fight back there. I didn't get that one on tape.
Forte says tensions were just beginning to mount.
Then 2 guys started fighting again.
Feeling the hostility,
something is about to go down.
Forte grabbed his cell phone and started recording. A violent fight breaks out. Chairs go flying, with several employees throwing punches.
Hey, break that up.
Forte is heard on the video telling them to break it up. Soon, the situation cools off. Forte leaving empty-handed.
Honestly, I wasn't even going to get the chicken sandwich, you know?